So what I've decided to do is to do the experiment twice. What I'm going to do the second time is the exact same steps I did in my first video, but leave the maple syrup butter mixture in the fridge for longer, so when I put it onto the snow tray, it is nice and cool, thick, and see how differently that works with the snow. And so we'll have two kind of things to look out for this experiment. Okay, so just quickly showing you the steps again. In this bowl, I put 1/3 syrup and 2 cups of butter. Okay, so don't forget that after you mix it all together, you put it into the microwave for 1 minute. Then you mix the whole thing all up, and then after you mix it up, you're going to put it into the fridge. So my first video, I put it into the fridge for probably 5 minutes. This time, I'm going to set a timer and put it in for 15 minutes, and then come back, and hopefully it's cold, but if it's not cold, well, I'll make a video. Okay. So I just took it out of the fridge, and instead of 15 minutes, I ended up leaving it in for like 25 by accident. But it's still kind of warm, and I want it to be cold for my second try because it was warm in my last experiment. So I just want to kind of see the difference. So I've mixed it a little bit, so now I'm going to put it back into the fridge for probably 10 minutes. Okay, so now that you have taken it out of the fridge and it's fully cool, it's still liquid, but it's just not warm anymore. And again, you have gotten out and got your snow onto your cookie sheet. You're going to do the same thing you did last time. Well, I guess I did last time. And spread it on here, and really, I'm just trying to do it into a bar, but it really does not matter at all. Kind of just put it on here, and then again, another thing I did wrong last time was I just left it out, and I did not think about this as snow. I'm indoors. It's gonna melt. So this time, instead of leaving my snow out, I am going to put it into the fridge. Probably, I'm going to leave it in there for 20, 30 minutes and then come back to it. Okay, so, I know I said in my last video, that I would leave it in for like 10, 15, 20 minutes, whatever I said. So I ended up forgetting about it and leaving it in for about an hour. But that is totally okay. It's very hard. So here's what it looks like after being in. I put it in the freezer, not the fridge. I don't remember what I said last time. And it still kind of sank in, but it tastes good. Let's see if we can add it. So we'll probably leave it in for more, but it's still pretty snowy. But it tastes great. It's not your typical taffy, because most of you think taffy's are really like stringy and you can really pull it. But this taffy is really good. I definitely suggest on making this. It has that maple syrup-y to it, but then it also has that nice cool of the snow. So here is my snow day experiment. Have a good snow day.